Hey guys, in this video I'll be explaining this simple 3-step orchestration recipe to recreate a strong grounding texture from the main theme of Jurassic Park. But before we break this down layer by layer, let's have a listen to the texture. Let's begin with the melody. To produce a thick, warm flavor, you want to assign the melody to violas, clarinet, and 2 horns. These will all play in unison in about an octave range centered around middle C. Next, to give this texture a strong grounding, arrange a low sustained chord in double bass and bassoons. Here you'll have a 2-note arrangement, mostly playing the root and 5th of the chord. You'll have double bass and bassoon in unison on the bottom note, and then another bassoon on the top note. This chord plays in a range below the floor of the bass clef, which helps to create that strong grounding. Finally, to connect the range of these 2 layers, thicken the texture and add some subtle momentum, arrange some slow pulsing sustains to cellos, clarinets, and the other 2 horns. Here you'll have half the cellos, bass clarinet, and a horn on the bottom note. Then the other half of the cellos, a regular clarinet and horn on the top note. These will all play in about an octave range from middle C downwards, connecting the range of the upper and lower layers. So there you have it. That was a very simple 3-layered recipe to recreate this strong grounded texture. To consolidate everything we've learned, let's give the texture another listen. So if you're still here and you're still hungry, I'll chuck up another orchestration recipe on the screen now. If you have any suggestions for textures you'd like me to break down in the future, please leave those in the comments. I hope you have a nice day and I will see you in the next one.